Benefits and Risks of Using ChatGPT and AI Tools Essay. In today's fast-changing world, artificial intelligence, AI, tools like ChatGPT are becoming more popular. These tools help people in many ways, from writing emails and essays to solving problems and learning new skills. But just like everything else, AI has both benefits and risks. Benefits of ChatGPT and AI tools. Saves time. AI tools can do tasks quickly, like writing or translating, which saves time and effort. 24/7 help. ChatGPT is always available, so people can get help anytime. Supports learning. Students use AI to understand difficult topics, improve writing, and prepare for exams. Creative ideas. Writers, designers, and creators get new ideas and inspiration from AI tools. Business use. Companies use AI for customer support, emails, data analysis, and marketing. Risks of ChatGPT and AI tools. Overdependence. People may become lazy or stop thinking critically if they rely too much on AI. Misinformation. AI might sometimes give wrong or outdated information. Privacy issues. Using AI tools requires sharing data, which may risk personal privacy. Job loss. Some fear that AI may replace human jobs in the future. Lack of human touch. AI cannot fully understand emotions, feelings, or real-life situations like humans do. Conclusion. AI tools like ChatGPT can be very helpful if used wisely and responsibly. They are good assistants but should not replace human thinking, learning, and creativity. It's important to balance technology and human skills to get the best results.